Hello, and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your microphone in the Brave browser. Whether you're setting up for a meeting, recording audio, or troubleshooting voice input, this guide will help you choose the right microphone in just a few simple steps. Open your Brave browser. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Now look to the left side of the screen and click on Privacy and Security. Next, select Site and Shield Settings. This section controls how sites interact with your browser. Scroll down until you find Microphone under the Permissions section, then tap on it. You will now see a drop-down list showing available microphones. Click the list and select the microphone you want to use. And that's it! You've successfully chosen your microphone in Brave browser. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.